These ironwoods are growing right around all their pipes and growing basically right around this building. We're gonna take out all these ironwoods. DMM rigging block set up in this ironwood tree. I also have it attached to another tree back here as a safety.
This part of the job, we are kind of just site prepping, getting all of these tops out so then we can pull our lines across and set some pulley redirects. That way we are keeping the job site safe and controlled. Right over these water tanks, you can see we're just kind of clearing this area out, and then we're going to rig our line across it and start pulling out some of these bigger tops with our ropes.
Ooh, my chainsaw. Yeah.
We are removing these trees because they're established pretty close to the buildings. As these trees mature, their root systems continue to expand and can lift cracks surrounding landscape, potentially affect nearby structures and components. Combined with the risk of heavy limbs failing over the buildings, these trees simply aren't in a good location for long-term growth.
3, 2, 1. That line down.
This project on Kohala Mountain Road was all about pre-storm damage mitigation. We were brought in on a daily rate service to work around the buildings and identify reduced hazards, limbs, and trees before severe weather arrived. A lot of what we're working with here is Cassuriana equisetifolia, commonly known as ironwood. These trees produce extremely dense, heavy wood. When large limbs fail during high winds, they can carry tremendous amount of weight and become serious hazards to people, vehicles, structures below.
There it is. Okay. Woo!
Ironwood is also an exceptionally hard species with a Jenka hardness around 3,200 pounds of force. That means equipment maintenance is a major part of working these trees efficiently. We keep our chainsaws extremely sharp throughout the job, And when we're processing this much ironwood, we're also inspecting and sharpening our chipper knives every couple of days. The objective isn't just cleaning up trees, it's identifying potential failures before the storm, reducing hazardous material around occupied areas, and giving these properties a better chance of making it through severe weather without major tree-related damage. This is a pulley system. We're just using a truck to actually pull these branches. We have a rigging block up in the tree, and we have multiple locations where we're actually felling these large limbs down. So it just makes it more convenient for our crew not to always be pulling branches all day and hurting their backs. So this makes it a lot easier on everybody and actually saves a lot of time. One of the coolest parts of working in Hawaii is you never really know what you're going to find in the trees. Throughout this job, we kept finding Jackson chameleons hiding throughout the ironwood vegetation when we're cutting. Jackson chameleons aren't actually native to Hawaii. They're originally from East Africa and were introduced to the islands through a pet trade in 1970s.
Catch them, rack them, stack them. Money gotta run, my guy. Fresh out the pub and never stay or dry. Time when they see me jump out to the right. Satin out the space when me send boy. Cause we love to see the gal them wine. When party, keep my dogs and I bring baby 9.